If you have inflammatory skin conditions like psoriasis, eczema, acne, or even dry skin, then you definitely want to watch this video till the end, because I'll be giving you 5 yummy smoothie recipes using 3 main ingredients to achieve that young, vibrant skin from inside out. Hello friends and welcome back. This is ThisisTinuola, your favorite hot chocolate. For the first smoothie, I call it the Hydra Boost. This is great for those with dry, irritated skin. We're using watermelon green tea and mint leaves. Green tea is great in improving your blood flow and giving your skin cells the oxygen and nutrients it needs. The mint also has salicylic acid and vitamin A, and you know when you apply this to your skin topically, it's great for irritated skin and sebum production. But even when ingested, it also helps with your skin hydration and has anti-aging effects. So definitely try out this recipe. It's so yummy. The watermelon gives you all the hydration you need. There's a difference between dry and dehydrated skin, but for both of them, watermelon is great for your skin and it also contains vitamin C. So make sure you're drinking a good amount of this smoothie. Our next smoothie is what I call the Glow Goddess. We're using ingredients like papaya, fresh ginger, turmeric. You want to use organic turmeric from a reputable brand if you're using the powdered form, and pitted dates for some added sweetness. Now, this recipe will give you that glow. You want to use just about half, or let's just say a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, because turmeric sometimes the taste, it just puts me off. And make sure you add water to that, of course. Papaya has lots of nutrients like vitamin A, which is similar to your topical retinol. It contains the lycopenes, which help to promote skin elasticity, reduces wrinkles and inflammatory acne. Turmeric and ginger contains anti-inflammatory compounds to reduce excess melanin production and stimulate your collagen production. If you don't have papaya, you can use carrots, which also contains lots of vitamin A and is good for brightening your skin and reducing sunburn. Moving on to one of my favorite recipes, which I call the hot chocolate, as I like to call myself here on this channel. If you're new, hey, please subscribe and join this thriving family. This recipe is so great for my melanin queens that want to glow from inside out, because we are using ingredients like dark chocolate, banana, collagen. Gosh, I love this collagen brand, and you guys can check the link down below. For dark chocolate, it's rich in antioxidants, which are anti-inflammatory. Let me tell you something. The more you are exposed to the sun is going to reduce your elastin and collagen production. And that is one of the main causes of premature aging. Now, when you take dark chocolate and banana that has vitamin C and B for your skin and hair and nail cell growth, combining that with collagen powder, it's over. Your skin is going to glow. So I'm adding coconut milk for extra creaminess. You don't have to, because the banana itself is a good cream base. It's just a good base for this smoothie. But I'm adding coconut cream, or you can use coconut milk and water as liquid. And this tastes so good. Please, guys, try out this recipe and let me know what you think. It's amazing. This recipe is what I call the green glow. This is great for those that want that plump young skin. We're using ingredients like avocados, spinach, mango mix, green mix. If you don't have this frozen green mix, you can definitely use any sweet fruits like mango or pineapple just to add to the sweetness of the spinach, or you can use dates. And we're using coconut milk as well. Spinach, of course, we know is high in vitamin C. Avocado is great for brightening your skin and fighting all this UV radiation that you're constantly exposed to every day by the sun. So it's a great antioxidant. It also has healthy fats and is also good for your eyes, because avocado contains carotenoids, similar to what carrot contains. Coconut milk is also a great healthy fat, and it has vitamin C and E for that plump young skin. If this smoothie is too thick for you, make sure you add water to it. But it tastes so good, and if you don't like the taste of spinach, you can use monk fruit, which has 0 calories. Our next recipe is what I call Forever Young because we're using ingredients like blueberries, strawberries, and lemon. Now, if you have a mixed berry, you can use the mixed berry, but it usually contains blackberry, which I don't think is great for smoothie because it's so grainy. But if you don't mind it, that's fine. If you want to use it as juice, that's okay as well. For this recipe, the berries contain anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidants, which are so good for your skin, guys. As you know, with your fruits, the darker or the more colorful, the better. You can also add some nuts or seeds like chai seeds. I'm using almond here just to add to the flavor, give it that nutty taste. Chai seeds, walnuts, flax seeds are great in omega-3, which will help you reduce your breakouts by regulating your sebum production. And the good thing about this recipe is so high in vitamin C, which promotes your collagen production for that plumpy, elastic skin and reduces your wrinkles. So definitely give this a try if you're dealing with oily skin or you're dealing with wrinkles on your skin. It's gonna give you a youthful skin. Remember that the more colorful your fruits are, the more nutritious they are. And that is it for our 5 beauty smoothies using 3 main ingredients. You can always add 1 or 2 extra ingredients like I showed in this video by using nuts or seeds or coconut milk, coconut cream. And this is a test taste, guys. Let me know if you tried these yummy smoothies, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in the next video, and until then, keep shining. Bye.